Hi there. Today, we're making classic scrambled eggs, simple, fluffy, and delicious. Let's get started with our fresh ingredients. Eggs, milk, butter, salt, and pepper. First, you'll need fresh eggs. Next, pour in a splash of milk, add a pat of butter. Don't forget a pinch of salt, and a dash of pepper to finish. First, crack 2 eggs into a mixing bowl. Next, pour in a splash of milk. Sprinkle in a pinch of salt and a dash of pepper. Whisk everything together until the mixture is light and fluffy. First, melt a generous pat of butter in a non-stick pan over low heat. Let it gently bubble, but don't let it brown. Next, pour your whisked eggs into the pan. You should hear a soft sizzle as they hit the butter. With a spatula, gently stir the eggs from the edges toward the center. Keep the movement slow and steady. Continue cooking on low heat, stirring slowly until soft, creamy curds begin to form. Don't rush. Patience makes them fluffy. When the eggs are just set but still a little glossy, remove them from the heat. They'll finish cooking from the pan's warmth. Gently spoon the scrambled eggs onto a warm plate, making sure they stay fluffy and soft. Sprinkle fresh herbs like chives or parsley on top for extra flavor and color. Serve immediately with crispy toast on the side, and enjoy your delicious breakfast. Thanks for watching. We hope you give these fluffy scrambled eggs a try in your own kitchen. If you enjoyed this recipe, please like, subscribe, and share for more easy breakfast ideas.